Since the modern motorcycle world in 2026 has no official RT1 headlined by Yamaha Motor Company, this script blends the classic heritage of the original RT1360 with a thoughtful imagined interpretation of what a 2026 tribute model inspired by that legend could feel like, presented in a way that's engaging for your Wheels audience. What if a true classic motorcycle from the golden age of adventure riding got reimagined for 2026? Not as a futuristic techno beast, but as a tribute to raw, pure, rider-focused experience. Picture the look of an old-school trail enduro, the sound of a tuned single-cylinder engine, the feel of light, nimble handling, and the ability to go almost anywhere. Today on Wheels, we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha RT1360, a bike that doesn't officially exist yet, but lives on in spirit as one of Yamaha's most beloved dual-purpose machines. Stick with us until the very end, because we've got a special surprise waiting for you that every motorcycle enthusiast will love. In the early 1970s, Yamaha built a lineup of trail and enduro machines that became icons, blending off-road capability with on-road usability, bikes like the DT1, AT1, and Connecticut 1. Among them was the RT1360, introduced around 1970 as the larger displacement sibling with serious capability for both rough terrain and road use. AutoEvolution.com. The RT1360 featured a 351cc air-cooled two-stroke single-cylinder engine that delivered around 30 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute with about 26 pound-feet of torque at 5,500 revolutions per minute, impressive numbers for the era. Its lightweight twin-shock chassis and telescopic forks gave it a poised, agile feel that riders loved on everything from dirt trails to longer cross-country excursions. Moto-data.net. Back then, this bike was designed for adventure, a motorcycle that didn't choose between trail performance and road usability. It had a comfortable riding position with high handlebars, a long, dual seat, and tall wheel travel that made it confident off-road. The wire spoke wheels and rugged rubber also contributed to its versatility, allowing riders to navigate loose surfaces and rough paths with real confidence. AutoEvolution.com. But the original RT1 was more than just a set of specs. It was a better-than-average solution for riders who wanted freedom, the ability to go from paved highways to dirt backroads without swapping bikes or feeling held back. In many ways, it helped define what we now think of as dual-sport motorcycles, machines that don't compromise much on either street comfort or dirt capability. Fast forward to 2026, and the motorcycle landscape has changed dramatically. Today's bikes come loaded with electronics, traction control, ride-by-wire throttles, multiple riding modes, and what seems like endless tech. And while those advancements deliver measurable benefits, there's a growing community of riders who yearn for simplicity, real mechanical feedback, minimal distractions, and a direct connection between rider and machine. That's where the idea of a 2026 Yamaha RT1360 tribute comes alive. Imagine Yamaha honoring its heritage by releasing a modern bike that captures the soul of the RT1, lightweight, agile, uncomplicated, while incorporating contemporary reliability and usability. Instead of a purely retro reissue, think of it as a heritage-inspired, rider-focused modern enduro, smooth fuel injection, modern brakes, updated suspension, and a reliable air or liquid-cooled engine tuned for fun, not outright power. For such a tribute model, the engine could be a modern 350 to 380 cc single-cylinder, designed to deliver strong low and mid-range torque for off-road traction without feeling stressed on highways. A fuel-injected layout would improve cold starts, emissions compliance, and everyday usability while retaining character. The simplicity of a single cylinder would give riders that same honest engine feel the original was known for. It's light, energetic, and engaging in a way multi-cylinders often aren't. The chassis for 2026 would likely use modern materials and geometry for predictable handling, but it would be deliberately light and balanced, not overly focused on track precision. Long travel suspension front and rear would soak up rough terrain, yet be compliant enough for city streets and curvy backroads. Braking would be up to modern standards with front and rear discs, possibly complemented by a rider-friendly ABS system that could be disengaged off-road, enhancing confidence on loose surface trails without intruding when not needed. Ergonomics would be intuitive, upright and comfortable with a handlebar and seat setup that invites you to shift your body weight easily on and off the pavement. A simple, easy-to-read digital instrument cluster would provide essential info like speed, gear position, and fuel level without distracting from the ride experience. Visually, the Imagine 2026 RT1360 Tribute could blend classic cues, round headlight, minimalist bodywork, rugged fenders, wire spoke wheels, with modern finishes and materials that offer durability and style. Think heritage colors and subtle graphics that pay respect to the original while feeling fresh and relevant in 2026. Such a machine could immediately attract a broad spectrum of riders. Newcomers would appreciate the approachable power and lightweight feel. Experienced riders might enjoy its nimble character and the nostalgia of a classic-inspired ride. And collectors and vintage fans would revel in seeing a modern take on a bike that helped define the trail and enduro genre. Even today, classic RT1 models are cherished by enthusiasts and collectors, praised for their combination of performance, simplicity, and versatility. They're part of Yamaha's early history of dual-purpose motorcycles and reflect a time when design focused on rider experience rather than digital gadgetry. Yamaha Motor Global Site. There's also a deeper emotional connection here. Bikes like the RT1 weren't about being the fastest on the road. They were about experiencing the road and trail, breathing in that sense of freedom that only two wheels can deliver. That feeling is timeless, and it's why many riders today still restore, ride, and celebrate classic machines from that era. Imagine starting your day with a planned route that includes twisty tarmac, hidden gravel backroads, and a few forest trails. You fire up the Imagine 2026 RT1 Tribute, twist the throttle, and feel that smooth surge of torque. You're not overwhelmed by electronics or distracted by menus. Instead, it's just you, the bike, and the road ahead. That's the essence of what a modern homage to the RT1 could offer. Of course, Yamaha has not confirmed such a model for 2026, but the idea itself reflects something deeper about motorcycle culture, the desire for authentic riding experiences that aren't defined by specs alone. Riders don't just want machines, they want machines with soul. They want bikes that feel alive, responsive, and real, not just loaded with features because technology allows it. And that desire is exactly what makes the RT1 legacy endure. Even decades after its original release, riders still talk about the combination of power, agility, and spirited character that set it apart in its day. It didn't have electronic rider aids or digital dashboards, but it had something more important, a connection with the rider that few bikes today truly replicate. Now, here's the special surprise we promised you at the beginning of this video. Ing Wheels is launching an all-new series called Heritage Reborn, where we explore classic motorcycles that shaped the way we ride today, and what their modern reinterpretations could look like. Our first episode will focus on the Yamaha RT1 360's history, its impact on dual-sport riding, and a deep dive into how a 2026 tribute model could be engineered for real-world riding while honoring its roots. We'll talk to vintage collectors, modern custom builders, and riders who've kept these classics alive for decades. So make sure you're subscribed to Ing Wheels, hit the notification bell, and join us for this exciting journey through motorcycle history and future possibility. Because motorcycles like the Imagine 2026 Yamaha RT1360 aren't just machines, they're reminders of why we ride in the first place.